Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Lamborghini Aventador and this is the Miura Homage version. So some people might have this in Hot Wheels. So I personally don't like to get a Hot Wheels version. I personally wanted to get either a Majorette or a Tomica version. Luckily I was able to get at least one. Again, I regret I missed out to buy the second one. So honestly, this Toys R Us where I bought this one, this was only one piece where I saw this. I went to the next Toys R Us, they had only one of this particular casting. I'm not sure whether it's really that rare or everything is sold out. I'm not really sure. So this looks like a Toys R Us exclusive version. That's what it feels like, given judging by the stamp here. Okay. So if you guys remember, we did unbox the Miura in this exact color. That time I told you guys there is a Aventador. They did a Miura homage with that's what this is. Okay, let me just pull it out. Nothing else is in the box. Okay. So okay, these cars actually these boxes doesn't have any seal. So if you are purchasing this from any person who's importing this one, so don't worry about it. This doesn't come with any seal. So even the Centenario, if you guys remember, which we unboxed yesterday, that also didn't come with any seal. So don't worry about it. Okay. So out of the box, the casting looks really good. You can see here, Miura 50. I think for 50th anniversary they did it, it seems. So the headlights are painted. I really wish Tomica did acrylic headlights. I'm really sorry about the background noise, guys. You can see, but overall the casting looks really solid. I don't have much to complain, to be honest, but the taillight details are also painted. You can see it is written Miura here, and it has the exhaust details here. So the body is fully metal and the chassis is fully plastic. So if you guys remember in last video I mentioned the scale varies. You can see this one is 1 by 68. It's not exactly 1 by 64. So this is how when it comes to Tomica it changes, and it is good if you ask me, because they at least don't lie about these things. And this looks really gorgeous. It is a matte black painted engine. Okay, this is actually, oh yeah, this is plastic only, but they fully painted it matte black. I thought it was actually openable, but it is not. It looks really nice though. So I really wish, I don't know, since they did homage to Miura, they painted it black like, the olden days they did. So if they had something like see-through here, that would be more awesome. But again, I understand their point. So I'm not going to complain much on that part. But I do like this casting so much. I really wish I bought one more. Okay, let's see if it has suspension. Yeah, it does have suspension. Honestly, Tomica suspensions are really good compared to even Majorette ones. Majorette ones feels a lot tighter compared to the Tomica ones. You can see Tomica really, I don't know, maybe the method they follow might be the same, but I don't know. This one feels a little bit easy to push it down and feel it, but most of the Majorettes have very tight suspension. Okay, this is like 35 grams. Okay, really nice. And they matched that. I really wish they actually had a different set of rims here to match it with the car. They do have this trim here which is golden color, which matches with the side skirts and everything here. But if they added some better wheels, I mean, this would look more beautiful. Okay, let's see if it fits the track and do a roll test. Wow, that honestly guys, I'm really surprised. This is the first ever Tomica which reached the end of our track, which rolled really well compared to any other Tomica which I unboxed in the past 2 years. It reached even the end. See, it even came back because the track is a little bit curved. If I use the whole track, I'm pretty sure it might have reached the end. Every time it is reaching the end. I'm really happy about that. And I'm really sad that I was not able to buy another one. I missed the opportunity. Even though I had it in my hand, I just kept it back. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.